Sanga know you see me flex. Nobody get me vex. Me a go mark the X in a Sanga chest. And if him want to start, him hear me gonna talk. And that your dirty blood clot. Sanga, you run away from St. Vincent. And me a hear through the rumor mill. Them a say, boy, a countryman make you lift up quick. Well, me a go talk about the remainder of some of the top level B-Zive in that one, yeah. And me I give them a warning. Let's go.
Oh, you reaper man. You reaper man. You and criminal Julian. All you mash up the land. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. All you killing people, all you robbing bank, all you thief down NCB, and all you kill cook shank.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Sanga banga. Cut and leave out. Him catch a plane through a police escort. I've never seen this in the day of my life. A super criminal and he got a police escort. I'm wondering if he's St. Vincent James Bond. I think I 008 this. He must be 008. But anyways, I want to talk about what's going on and the atmosphere in St. Vincent right now. Now that Sanga Lego. Look at that picture right there. You see that picture right there, so? That show Hillox, Dialo, and Sanga. So now Sanga is gone. You have Hillox and you have Dialo. And you have another brother where his real name is Tom. He thinks I don't know his real name. And I don't know where he is and I don't have his picture. But Foreman, I got everything on you and I'm gonna definitely talk about you, okay? Your real name is Tom, and I know that. You okay? And I know also the links you have and why you are vital. Now, this is how I think they're gonna run the program. You see, now that Sanga is gone, you're gonna have the man them on the ground, and the point man for that would be Dialo. He's gonna start ship out the package to Sanga and use the diplomatic way of doing things, because you know Dialo is very much connected into the government just like Sanga. And this is my speculation. Now they have Monty Hillox there, and he is also a lieutenant that would probably be working along with Dialo to do whatever. And you have another one there by the name of Tom. He's gonna be also in the network. But when I speak about Tom in his video, I'm gonna tell you what Tom is doing. And Tom's name is Foreman. That's his street name is Foreman. His real name is Tom. So that's what I feel is gonna play out. Now I heard people are rejoicing that Sanga cut. They say, yo, I am the one who speed it up. I don't know. I know I bring a lot of things to the forefront and kind of speak out for the justice for the people them. Hillox, I want to talk to you. I told you that Sanga was gonna cut and leave you, and I told other people that he is gonna cut. Now Hillox, like I said, you spray over your car. Okay, listen to me now, This is Countryman talking to you. You sprayed over your car after the little mishap, where I think you probably get shot in your foot or graze. And you're driving on the back roads like you're keeping a low profile. I'm just letting you know you're not. Okay? You're not keeping a low profile. I know everything you're doing. What I'm telling you is leave Sanga company, because the Sanga leave now and gone. You understand? And he did a lot of things, and people are not gonna just take it lightly, because you see what's going on. So Hillox, don't get involved, push him out. You understand? Stay away. That me I tell you. Now you see you Dialo, me I talk to you. You's a con man, and you do certain things too. And me have a special video to talk about you and the young lady Jocelyn. You understand? Cause you is committed to destroying people's life. You like to celebrate misery, the profound celebration of misery, and that's how you operate. Well, I have something for you too, Mr. Dialo. That's all I'm telling you. So in a nutshell, like I said, and like I predicted, Sanga was gonna run and leave the man them. I know he did that underneath police escort with new documents, and pretty much leave the man them to fend for themselves. If they want to still follow up that, it's up to them. I'm telling them to cut and run and shove out Sanga Banga. Alright? My name is Countryman. I hope I explained the situation that's going on. It's sort of like a rejoice and a relief that Sanga leave. So now his foot soldier them, they might be worrying, but them still have chance to stop flexing him and push him out. That's all I'm saying. And I'm showing you guys the dynamics, what I think is going to happen. Dialo gonna supply Sanga with the baby powder or whatever through diplomatic channels, and Hillox is gonna be there holding it down along with Tom aka Foreman. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on the next video. Peace, I'm out. More coming about Jocelyn, and I keep on saying Belize, but I'm gonna drop it. Alright? Stay tuned and stay with me. Big up everybody.